Hi guys, we're back at say Cabana Bay. Blooper. We're back at Cabana Bay. I was about to say Volcano Bay, and then I just mixed both names together. But we're back. We just had food. This is a short trip. We're here on some business, and we will talk more about that as the year progresses. But we're gonna go to the parks today because today is the only day we can go to the parks because tomorrow we have appointments and stuff like that. So but today we're going to, it's coming. Your brothers went to go get your suitcase. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Hi. So we're gonna go ahead and do both parks. Both parks close kind of early today. They close at 9. So we're gonna do what we can, basically. I'm gonna try to go on some of the rides that I couldn't go on during New Year's. And the girls are all hopped up on slushies, so excuse the craziness. Let me show you guys the view. So this is the view. We have half of the volcano. They're actually repurposing the pool. They were doing it last week when we were here. They started, so they're finishing now. And yeah, this is the rest of the town. This is towers. I cannot speak today. And then you got the, what's that? The Orlando Eye over there? No, right? That's not it. Is it? Oh, it is. It is the Orlando Eye. Yeah. You can actually see SeaWorld off in the distance too, behind that. Behind this Ferris wheel right here, you can see it. And then that's Volcano Bay right there. All those little huts. And then that's half of the volcano, right? Right. Hold on. There is half of the volcano. If it will. There we go. Right there. So we've been here a million times, but I've never really shown you why we like this room. Okay, so here's the entrance, right? Right here. Then as soon as you walk in, you have a microwave. You have a little fridge and stuff, which is great because we always have extra food. We love the pizza here. We love the food here at Bayline Diner. This pulls out. So this is a pull-out couch. Plus you have some comfy seats. You get to watch movies here. This is totally separate. So if you want this to be like your own little private room, this thing, babe, help me. This thing closes. See? Then we're going to open it so we can step into, so you know that converts into like your little private area. You have a little counter space here so we can eat. And then right here, say hi, babe. Hey. Right here you got the beds, as you know, normal resort vibes, you know what I mean? Then you have your sink, you have your area to do your business. Yeah, come out. You have the sink here, and then you have like your shower, you know. It's a, what I was going to say, it's just, you know, it's a regular room. Oh, and then you have this closet over here. See? Very spacious. It fits all of us perfectly fine, always when we come. And, you know, we love it. We love it here. So, yeah, just thought I'd show you the room real quick. Well. All right, we're going to go have some fun. Goodbye. Yes. And I wanted you guys to see that this goblin right here, he looks just like my grandfather. Like, we always make fun and say that's my grandfather because my grandfather kind of resembles him a little bit.
They're extending it more that way too, because those little boxes there are the projectors.
In our last video, we had Tom far from Brocar. In this video, we have reporter
King Jose.
King Jose.
Okay. So,
Reporting live.
reporting live.
Talking about this
It looks like
this
they're
show that they're doing, the
last
projection
time,
show.
A year or two ago when we came here, we were watching the show over here, and they took it off, and they couldn't. We couldn't see, you know, like the screens, the projectors. So it looks like they're putting it closer over here, and they're adding it more towards that way so people can enjoy the show more.
Right, so more people can be over here, because here you can see the show perfectly. This is the Central Park area.
They built this
Right.
before that, but I'm talking
But if you're more like down there, you'd be able to see more of it, I guess.
here, so.
More on this side?
Yeah, more on this side. But obviously you can't be by Transformers or New York because that's where the fireworks shoot off.
Right, you have to be on this
You gotta
side
be
over
in
here.
Central Park.
Yeah, like
But,
over here.
It looks like they're working on it, so
We'll see when they announce. We'll see.
Probably spring or during summer.
Yeah.
We're gonna have that ready.
It was a good show, so we'll see. Once they bring it back, I'll make sure to record it.
Okay, all right. Let's wrap it up. This is Tom Far from Brocar, coming live, letting you know that it doesn't matter what's going on here.
What matters?
What matters is we're going to enjoy it.
Exactly.
Are you going to enjoy it?
Yes.
Or are you just going to sit there and be mad?
No, stop. Okay. So, went to go ride the mummy.
No, we didn't ride the mummy.
We did not.
We were approaching the mummy, and the mummy was delayed.
I was just about to tell you.
No, you're like, we just rode the, we were
No,
gonna
I said
ride.
we went to go ride the mummy.
Oh.
It's delayed. E.T. was also delayed, but now it's back up. So Adrian and the girls are on Simpson, and we're gonna meet at E.T. and we're gonna ride E.T. And then I think we're gonna go to Islands and
Yeah,
maybe
we are.
close out Islands.
And get a few treats. That's what we do.
Yes.
Where
The desserts in Seussland are so good. Like right after you get off the Seuss trolley, okay? I'm gonna record it for you guys so you guys can see it. But right after you get off the Seuss trolley, oh my God, you have like fudge. Like we had the cookies and cream fudge for New Year's when we were here. And then there's like a brookie that he loves. Oh my God. What in the world is happening here?
Oh wait.
A special rendition from the Swan guys. Oh, oh. What the hell was that?
I don't know. It's swamp.
We're so stupid. Bye.
All right, this the rule. We're going to see who blinks first. Oh, yeah, you messed up. You done messed up.
Really boring.
My eyes are starting to hurt.
Mine isn't. Yeah, that's right.
My mom's base.
Ah, man.
Oh, I blinked.
Okay,
I blinked.
all right. Wait,
I blinked.
Mom, still in character. Still.
Round two, come on.
Yeah.
We're wasting precious time. The parks close early today. They close at 9. And
What
I want to ride some stuff because for New Year's, I kind of enjoyed the moment and went shopping and eating and stuff. I didn't really ride, so I wanted to catch a couple rides. This little short trip. I'm done. I'm finished. Cut it out.